winyano baby Kuma Wood TV amansane yena yedimu Kuma Wood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kuma Wood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biasha amansane winyano baby Kuma Wood TV amansane yena yedimu Kuma Wood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kuma Wood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biasha amansane winyano baby Kuma Wood TV amansane yena yedimu Kuma Wood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kuma Wood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biasha amansane winyano baby Kuma Wood TV amansane yena yedimu Kuma Wood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kuma Wood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biasha amansane winyano baby Kuma Wood TV amansane yena yedimu Kuma Wood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kuma Wood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biasha amansane winyano baby Kuma Wood TV amansane yena yedimu Kuma Wood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kuma Wood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biasha amansane winyano baby Kuma Wood TV amansane yena yedimu Kuma Wood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kuma Wood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biasha amansane winyano baby Kuma Wood TV amansane yena yedimu Kuma Wood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kuma Wood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biasha amansane winyano baby Kuma Wood TV amansane yena yedimu Kuma Wood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kuma Wood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biasha amansane winyano baby Kuma Wood TV amansane yena yedimu Kuma Wood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yenga yedimu Sini papa be na upe biashe Amansane winyano baby Kumawood TV Amansane yenga yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yenga yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yenga yedimu Sini papa be na upe biashe Amansane winyano baby Kumawood TV Amansane yenga yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yenga yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yenga yedimu Sini papa be na upe biashe Amansane winyano baby Kumawood TV Amansane yenga yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yenga yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yenga yedimu Sini papa be na upe biashe Amansane winyano baby Kumawood TV Amansane yenga yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yenga yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yenga yedimu Sini papa be na upe biashe Amansane winyano baby Kumawood TV Amansane yenga yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yenga yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yenga yedimu Sini papa be na upe biashe Amansane winyano baby Kumawood TV Amansane yenga yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yenga yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yenga yedimu Sini papa be na upe biashe Amansane winyano baby Kumawood TV Amansane yenga yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yenga yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yenga yedimu Sini papa be na upe biashe Amansane winyano baby Kumawood TV Amansane yenga yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane
I was for ye mamo ajo na makwaba famra Sinopi. We are live on Kumawood Television, live on Facebook Kumawood TV, on YouTube Kumawood TV. We didn't edit sema ekende eyede fiada 12 of March 2021. Yankopon ede ache na asida enka twedi ampon din. Ade nyina mu onyame eguso ede hene. Nim se de onyame aka se obeye no twedi ampon obeye amano atumi abroso. Yatra se benyamre na yedi enkomo onum se ene a representative by the president representing the finance minister, a majority leader of parliament, minister for parliamentary affairs, and member of parliament for Swame constituency here in Ashanti region, honorable Osei Chairman Sabunsu ekojina na atebedwam na 3 hours 4 minutes what the comprehensive 2021 budget statement no etimi ede ebra my Ghana ya transi na apostle sama hodo a ode etudwa the war yakomo masika mu the year 2021 binyamre na yadomu esuko amohu sede isi etie na sede yere da no we say eba de say ya na the opposition party no enso ede omo de enso etoso binyamre na yedi enkomo sama hodo a ewo budget no mu de ede ehwam ene de otenso a ebia na ebeto akoma ni nyina no ewo mu na aboa aboman no etimi apija binyamre na yedi enkomo we are live on Facebook wajen channel 0202668464 0202668464 midin edit Sir Mike Kumewut TV na ene budget no 2021 budget no idia na edaso o say consolidation, completion and continuation wonya wo here budget wonya wo here budget ti yakwa nim go a the budget eno no na minority for no so no omuwieye na minority say there be se mo se mo de no consolidation, completion and continuation wonya we here budget na yenso ye de from the minority no so de omoka and say siem yen preko budget nyamre na yabawura mu nsama wodo a budget no mu but then me de wo famu briefly 2021 budget statement nsama wodo a ewo mu de edikan finance ministry no ede efa chairman Sabunsu so ede ebaye ene say oman Ghana ade say yedeka kakra ho a oman no yede say yaka oman yede nyina no 291.6 billion Ghana cedis 291.6 billion ene eka yede from 120 thereabout say we do 290 I say John Dramani Mahama ene Atamos the late ene John Dramani Mahama ebe free since independence ya kufo baye be somewhere 12 billion and another could see there 122 from 122 within 4.5 years do 291.6 billion benyamre na etumi edi ho enkomo is this one also a reckless borrowing? And I said this indeed is a borrowing with something you can see, feel and touch a home kobo benyamre na yetumi edi esanso na finance ministry edi atuja eni on a budget no say COVID-19 sika na wose yensa kan yensa entumi anka o COVID-19 no mu nko ano revenues 13.6 billion eni sika na wose yensa kan nanso yensa entumi anka enam yare yi ehun enti osan de atuja ban de atuja say afimu wode enema bi ebegu akwam say de be betumi a recover from COVID-19 enti de odi egu akwam no eye enema miensa na de di kan eye say yen taxes ahodo no wode bi abeka ho wode 1% health levy eba on COVID-19 1% health levy tax eba on COVID-19 and after so no atoba miensa bi won so a won introduce you so they be betumi recover from the COVID-19 shock oman no yetumi akomu no eno so ehun enkomo ewa ha ompani ede afa finance ministry so ede atudwa enei ese ye uncompleted project na ese project ahodo bi oman no mu a obekomu oguru aximu a ebia de yesi dan bi yesi e bungalow kwame nkroma na sha ase ne eja Belkria University ya se project bi ase ho ne eja to ho obekọ Nandoli ya se project bi ase ho ebia Rollins na sha ase eja to ho obekọ ba bi na Atamos na sha ase eja to ho obekọ ba bi na Kofo na sha ase ne eja to ho abane the year 2021 all uncompleted projects e sha ase fi kwame nkroma benso ebesi enei omo ba bi ni nyina eno no na omo to the continuation no ese o mbewie ni nyina sa project ni nyina no omoden na omo atumi awie de ama sakra de aka no omo atumi atoa so eno nso eye nkomoda ewo afi adie no mu eno no eye ade a be ka se eni so pa abetudwa we say 185 million Ghana cedis so no wato de apeten de ama MDAs no se omumfa enhwe na mobrohu mogrofo enso ehun entumi ento womo eno nso ehun nsem ewo ha abane se we have about 8,700 ongoing projects omare defy no no ewo se make sure se ni na no afi etumi awie ni na wo se akwan ahodo nso no igusu ayeye bi afi so ye ofros a obe ni na etumi ede aboa national cathedral no so no uguso wo se igusu a ye bebo modern enso ni aye se de be ya ebetumi aboa na ode ade bi be fe no national equipment leasing policy afi abano ede eba tanso na besia abano eka ye se yenu anom a omo awie school omo akoya adwuma national service obehia besia aka mo da hadan no aban no ese ode sa rent advance loans no eba na etumi aboa ama yenu anom so no na afi scheme a eboa omo se uko school tertiary na opebesia wo enkonko be garanta bi ama no aban ne se okan ya afi wo hyase na otumi ede adu juma eno so ewonsem ewo aha COVID-19 impact mitigation measures ahodo nso ho a wode egu akwan mu se de be betumi aboa na oman no ebetumi apeja di nsam no edoso obatampa 100 million dollars ka yito obatampa COVID-19 ne ba ya na ban ne se eguso a ejuma gidisa no so etumi aboa pa enye agro ewo ho na aban no ekasa no na we say in fact omo eba bedi ade no na oman no atete apansam me kan brofumu a we say we took over severely broken economy and transformed it within 3 years as omo de mfie miensa na economy atete apansam aya dwirga kra under NDC no mfie miensa omo hye kama na anya covid na eba ya kra de a na Ghana nanka kwan gina so no asphalt pa na ye kɔ anim so covid na ama nema akɔfam kakra omo eguso edi hu dwuma eno nso ɔka ho asɛm wɔ se nsuo a wɔde ɛma ɔmo a ɔmo enibie kura no nso bi wɔ ha nsuo no oyusu ketewa bi 5 cubic ɔmo no deɛ ɔmo guso a wɔde bɛsan akyɛ ɔmo saa nso na lifeline consumers ɛfa electricity nso so no aban ne se ɔbɛkɔ so de ama ɔmo a kɔpem June ebedu saa time no na ndaso na say over 20 million vaccines aba ya waga na fo bebre na ama ohaw no akra nti mo a mo ye lifeline consumers no ensuo ene nkane ano aban se mo nkoso a na mo enjoy saade no enkopem the month of June na aban no se waya ade bi eno de minya hu ne ye but then say headmasters no na anya ne saade a we will investigate we say o provide 100,000 electronic hand sanitizers to all kindergartens across the country. We say Okobanga hand sanitizers no go ha no akwara no omia ana nipa no omia odo say ye say ya na begu so. So for the 100,000 and the kindergartens oh my Ghana. How many kindergartens do you also have in this country? Another question yebenyamre na yetumi ebusa enti no so ene ensamo a ewon sam no de dawson continuation completion onyanya here budget no ehon komo atena se benyamre na yetumi edimidi ede Sir Mike dwumade no Sinopi. We are live on Facebook Kumawu TV, YouTube Kumawu TV for your channel 0202666464. When you say on other issues so no so na ekoso ehonsem enso ewo ho sanso na mrante a omukodware nsuo mu na omuwuye ewa pam John Dramani Mahama de sika a enya agro 13,000 Ghana cedis ombusuafo no se omonye na omumfa enya ntotoye ewo fie obra hawi atumi ato omo eno so ho nkomo ewo akinde Japan still oguso kasa o se COVID-19 no dro na ewo ye no ye yakọ obi no de ohun se dro nya papa sa nti ono won ne enwo chena papa pa no ye mfa nche o se ade ye papa pa no e fan che ye de yawo e be si bia esi mu ka se dua no pa mo head ho yi sa ba stand no wanda so se yawo de ni yawo yawo de ni yawo na so ho nya yi kra sa e bia ne yare na ye adwuma be sa ba nga de na etimi atna samani ma etimi akoso no so ho ensem e wa ye twa ye ho emra si aye ba evangelist Richard Pra atna se was former parliamentary aspirant for Inshaeso constituency for the NDC Rufia Sanso and honorable assembly member as I youth employment coordinator as I deputy youth organizer Edema Secretary East Secretary South district of constituency another district Bernard if omra representative MPP ba e nyamre na etimi edi enkomo onwo pane no a vaccines no kokowo wa won so na hu science bia no a la so ho se be yi normal system no na adwuma dwa no pa ye head hu ni sade e wonda so se e be hu se de nkane no omachi bia no na ye hu no etwe homra e ba e nyamre na etimi asibe
En yarwa hodo ben na agi nipadua no aboso yare bi ti se eni yare akoma yare wadumu ato wontimi ndidi oba ne barima wontimi nwo me kanfo tahwid naturopathic clinic adodo na efreye Madam Katri clinic di amawo Madam Katri clinic enam homeopathy naturopathy subetu yare nyina efri ho ye ne kofa bae de Madam Katri tonic aba adwaman so eboa siesie nipadua no ne titiw de ma emma wonoma won fichiko ensisi so yie sa wono Madam Katri tonica eboa ema woni padua no enyini yie na aboa ma wo fichiko so aye kama ye won fidie wa waso ye de aba adwaman so aye de hwehwe di padua ni mu eyi yarwa hodo ahintani nyina edi Katri clinic ewo Kumase Asante Mantembu adi ne ewo Madam Katri clinic yarwe nyina last stop
FD ya hwehwe sei dwadi krato yi mu agye atum se eye
animudia me manfo nye bintina mo ne yira ebinu be from ho se me yo omo asofo nso no mo nya ma asorema akon
asante mamu a akonfo ne yedo wasen nso boni ekoso no amro ben eya kristofo ene nkrambofo enti ye nya me so na nya nkwase anya me na yeso obi o ho amene wo kase stroke a cheno wa ya stroke no enko malam sebra enti difo no nim to de yesu no de moti abafie difo mu obekọ puppet so jo obensa difo mu awi tramadol masa
piao so ho adwuru ene danta de bibo ano Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center ebena da bia 7 to 9 p.m. ene nsia e Kumewood TV na yenyamre enwura sunsumu ena suko na ohaw eda oso no Mala mohwe na onyi emfiri o emfa emawo etwere yare bia edam usika ena ayira na wohwe ojapade bi na obi enam kwa bi so age afiri onsam utu gold ena opese onya emwa anase ebia kontuo enema ayeden amawo oba no odaso jonso anase akontuo enema ayeden amawa bra Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center na kache kwaw atibie tienie kwaw atibie Eastern Region eho ena Malam wo esikafo amantem wo de odu kwaw a wo so kwaw atibie uduru ho bebe pa wo yira kora no a busa Unity FM ana wo be frɛ 0246 647 247 0246 647 247 sene so se Malam onye sikaduro onye double money pocket no dry azafo no mo yesa no ne konkron original and Mala Muhammad Spiritual and Herbal Center and yensia ebena bia 7 to 9 p.m. e Kumewood TV ne afana live e Unity FM e ko woti eya tie bi na entumi emwa piao
well our pia we say film why the den the slower we na fa kokko we film na say dia wa woni tua wo fa say no mo ye den ma menti we we na wo yere na mfa nkonkoye digma na ma why so what e bi sa yenko no Kumase na mo ko Kumase
Martin Luther
oh na it's been a long time oh yeah
me say minia obra kwantu ya o
Semina na ma yan ka twene ni ahwedan yo. Na busu pani asoma me. Semina me pada ka. O ma si akabara. Na me si ya chini. Ye nya da ka yi.
Yeah, Nansani.
Nansa mo na mo da so a. Wo hia me de woni problem kra. Wo beje di se me free Dubai betu Ghana. Ana me na na kwabedantwi. Wo to na nanom ansia do. Ne eje yi ni bo me so. E wa brede me ni kapre. Odu obi na kire me Goldsway casket shop. Ah, e wo kuma se labor hire. Me ko ho no ma. Anu mo sa ne me yi sika nhye yo. Wo de bi ntwa no. Misika ya di ma me se me fa bra no. Iswa afi so ya se me ambulance. Na me sam fa de be da no enka ambulance ani de be da ho omo ya ambulance service into any problem kra ani na ye nya ni se wo benya sika kakra bi di ato ase you know say kuma stay by plan no ye kwena mo ko kire wo some Goldsway casket shop ye wona ka mebere te se de mo hu ni na Goldsway casket shop ye wo kuma say infant new town ye di labor office na ben Goldsway casket shop ana we are the dealers in quality local and foreign caskets.
Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu. Sini papa bena upe biasha Amansane winyano baby ya. Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu.
No 122 right. Yes, I am Makwaba and Famra Sinopi live on Kumawood Television. Again today 0202668464. Mini edit Sir Mike Fabran tell message in Nyamren can my join the Facebook and so Kumawood TV on Facebook Kumawood TV YouTube Kumawood TV ojane ya na afi one etuni edi komo ye hwe ene budget statement a course so the economic policy for 2021 sama hodo a ora chairman sabonsu edi animu edi etuja ye behwe Ghana yeka so far 291.6 eka o man say ye de no 291.6 billion ene eka o man Ghana ye de na no ompani eko sona na NDC focus wan kan ye kan ye de ni abetodwa 291.6 ene ye ka ye de for now itimi ade atodwa we jam na de ho enkomo ye say 1% COVID-19 health levy enso eba ama ebo be recover the economy no and other 3 taxes enso nkomo we jam na ye di and afi so wampani ama ode atodwa say na me eya aduma afi mu project ahodo ana ya tutu aguo de kufo ya mahama ne mos ba wa meto aso de mahama ne mos nso ye ya akufo do ba ya first time one to aso nyina no wa beto ni na aso. Now the good news is that Mahames e-blog no name when for that just say omo ba ye omo timi complete 28 etimi e de aboa ama secondary education eguso ekoso. Evangelist Richard Pra NDC former PC for Insurance Constituency Regional Communication Team member. Evangelist Akwaba.
Ya minua.
Bia bokode.
Nyame e de yenkwa ache. Me say adie to me ya I believe is the greatest miracle of all.
Sure.
Inti se nyame ye adom na adie ya e nhyira kese eno ya ade ode adom me na ode adom mabusua efie obia ho ye ni aka no de eye empaebo ene wanso mod a wode beka ho ya sorry se wampie ankopa adwuma anya ekom ebede wo yire ne womba inti ene mahwemu ma kochinkirimu a menya kakra me de be kofie weekend ye de radiase you see in so ye wo emia bi wa ha dayaban omo de omo se omo dayaban ene ye wo de nyame me de me dan nyame inti menya bia enya ban ka ban ko ade a nka enye kura
ban no
eno de omo na pe na omo dan aban me de me dan nyame na waye na wanwade no
Enti na yaba say ye besom oman Ghana. I believe said ye nyina wo hye otokro mu wo ton asikyire mako ni ade ni nyina boa oman no. But we nso ma ye another platform say ye sua hunu kakra ye wo no yemfam be share ma obia nso nya bi. Enti ye chia ahwefo
ejo so. Honorable Ajimai Bernard Techi AK Abe. Honorable Assembly Member Dewu Tadre, electoral area, NPP Deputy Youth Organizer, Efija Secretary East, and then Youth Employment Coordinator. Honorable Kwaba, positions endorse of power. Nancy, a year school now, Alpha was in the baby.
Positions in the Seja, and Yamiado.
Yamido is out there.
Oh, Yamidia said, on us, then you know, one. Said the Munidika kind of society one day at home. Because the no said the man said my baby woman. Could be status now who's a branch if you want to watch you say grim. Hey, if I didn't that the Ben I'm so maybe the who's a dear one, I didn't see a pa yet. Make us a soon busy bibia until the young fancy. Nothing so Medenchia, ama Medisi, Emma make a reckoning.
Reckon oh yes walk.
David. Still maintain. Yeah, mammy.
What is he?
Oh, you not announce it in the yes, he maintain one ever.
List to be a kuta media on.
Oh, list they say, yeah, we grab it to me. I said, then why list not about it for you? List, but yes, next time, maybe oh, David, no, I may do being home between me. Nothing so, yeah, mammy, the kind of project. Emma maybe is in Cancer Board. Yeah, on so boy, Juma Pa, Yejuma, Ye, Smichiano, and the constituency executives, and the electoral area
youth committee members,
and the Bussian for me, Crummy, and African Point of View, doing it. She had various groups and so on, when people move a war, if you just east, she are members in no more penny for.
Right, I agent says 0202668464. Meaning that is my family and telling young ranking kind from out. I said that Elko Mala Muhammad Spiritual and Herbal Center, oh, co ETBA Escafua Mountain Ho, and a Mala Moko, na wow. When ye be a fumu, open for that carto, Usika, or from Brakumasi, a Safo, Liberan about ho, and a Ghost Wick Casket shop or now unto me, wow. Said a Beya or Yari, Asibitu. Never currently and American for Madam Catherine, and I say Tauhid Naturopathic Clinic at me at the Amao, Omok Massive Wadi, oh, and I am way to Mudinia net, about when my man so may be a tick, Madam Catherine Yende, Madam Catidindi, Madam Catidindi Yende, or now open to me a more Arabiano, or Massive Wadi, a more every to me at wow. Then shall come up to us, my main say, free honorable. Mama was for a net budget statement. We need to express impression. What THMS and so okay in 3 hours 4 minutes. Not the same. Now, if you say Ghana, yourself, Yeka, I dear currently Yeka say, you know, 291 billion. Move up to 122 billion within 4 years. And I am advanced 4 years, 3 months. Then I'm on the 291. What if you want? Scano, at the head and your money.
Oh, Medasi. Budget in the Yamian, said I Yapai and because not me driving near the meeting. But Kakrabia, and the who's a budget in a Koyi pa a toss. My tea budget at theatre, but. And then the end is some cry, some
Unyanya here.
But another end is some cry because means something to be with here for education. Wow, that's a final or I can pass that.
Open our education. Young Shaka or my necker. Yes, you are mine or your deca 291 billion. Sikana the day, we a reckless borrowing.
No. That's a card dear, Ubia de cat.
Okay.
America, Carmen Kuma Pensukra and I said, near Yanya, you can't shall say, nti eka de so man ne de ka nya de en won ni nyina se obagi sika no na wo de aya de papa so ye ne bosia ne bo an se bi ya fa nkonto en confirm an ka se bia omo atukọ Burkina ya fa pebre ya fa nkodua enua an ka se enua no ahye ha ya fa nto chinchinga ene ade
mo de ye den
edi yakwan edi bi nso wo hwe ebi ti se de ene na okay 240 pickups I the man school so ya ni nyina ye sika no abia ambulance I the bar last year enu ye sika no abia teachers allowance nurses allowance ni nyina sika no abia wo hwe debt ya na ho energy debt ya na ho a ebi tua ya wo hwe health insurance debt ya na ho a ye be clear ya ni nyina ye sika no bia etu ka sese ya bobosia na ye hu ne ye de ya na bia wa hwehwe ne ye de ye ni anase wa ye wa dwe se hu ne de ye nti na obi a wo kasa nti de meme kan se ye jebosia no ya je de ya de pa na Ghana fo nyina nso ahu de agi sika no e de ye ye visible a wo kan na so wo kira obi ahu se ade na ye de ye no eni
en na me hu ade ni ye no because me hu ni ye
enu na medical so bia so
ma ya kwan kwan ade he no because this the amount I hear kan wase wi enye 12 years besia sika ne kan wase mo ye kan from 122 to 291.
Oh yeah. Ana me kan sika ne ye no ya fa nto chinchinga ana ya fa anye confirm ana ya fa ntua judgment debt
mun ntua judgment debt ni na ko kan ye de no
why you be aha so bi bagin kodi kwa create loot and share ye fa anye sa no mani bi ya fa ngun medamase ye di adwuma ana me adwuma ye ye bi na make catch on 240 pickups.
Is it not surprising, say? Some calculation you're correct. 291, if you 122 more, when you're 169, if my calculation is right.
Yeah.
If you are one more sharing with my calculation, if my calculation is right, if you are not, maybe you're right. 291 from 122, when you're 169. So are you therefore saying, say, in 4 years, my boy, basically saying, aban bi aba from Kwame Nkrumah ebesi John Mahama
na make control say eka scan age e di twetwe aka o health insurance ka kwa na da ho no ananya sampetwa e clear ni nyina wa wo man mu say e clear sa debt ni nyina o energy debt na e ho eno so e clear ni nyina hwe nansen yare buy see, you absorb, absorb electricity bill, water bill. You know, scan will be near the year. It's all free hunsu, and one that didn't want them. And no scan will be near the and only the eye, the air, no be also said you money at the air, no air visible. Okay, will be any to say my way. Okay, I seem to change ye. Tell my runabout. Tema runabout. Okay, tema motorway. Enyuma ayaye. Okay, Kumasi airport expansion. Okay, Kumasi Accra, Kumasi inner city roads kwano. Where akwan ayaye no ha say.
Kumasi.
Oh yeah.
Inner city roads.
Yes.
And why do say? The fine na ona mo inner city roads.
Oh, se be menti Kumasi.
Ye kan besi e free Kwame Nkrumah pension.
Yeah,
na ma pension.
Ebesi ona wusa se ye de na agi ye, de ne de aye na make sure no ma ye de aye. Ana. Ana bibi fufuro ho bio. So wusi ye de na agi ye na de ne de aye na make sure ne ma ye de aye. Ana make sure say ye de na amfa kwagro medamase. Ye de aye adwuma. Ye de twetwe a busia na e ka na wo ho. So what you say? Okay. Ambulance ye de bae na enu nye enu abia. Government bay and let me atosa number of ambulance no. Show me. Light jina so 24/7. Enye no bi na edi adwuma no. Etu so obusa me say edi na edi scan na edi na me catch say scan edi am no ma bebre ama Ghana fo nso ani tua say adwuma no yaye.
Right, we shall go so AD and Komo. Wanya Fabra. Oko and statement on point 70 public debt development. Mr. Speaker, the provisional debt stock as at end December 2020 stood at nominal figure of 291.614 million, representing 76.1% of GDP compared to 217,991 million, equivalent to 62.4% of GDP in 2019. The total debt stock mix was made up of a provisional figure of 141,780.60 million for external debt and 149,833.89 million for domestic debt, amounting to approximately 48.6% and 51.4% of the total public debt stock, respectively. As a percentage of GDP, external and domestic debt represented 36.99% and 39.09% respectively. So this is the stand now. 291 points. Okay. Evangelist.
Minia.
TV divided among mine now be a
good. My member kwan we so na menchia wona agebre ehwe Kumawood na member wabaso woni adwumafo nyina adwuma pa moye the whole Ghana sesiam obi wo Germany no frame or hwe or online it show say moye adwuma pa manage baby a wahye ase afri no His Excellency John Dramani Mahama baby obi anchia enkoma no na busu member omo ho ban ene NDC fuo nyina ne Ghana fuo a ehu han na ewo no mu no over the 6 million Ghanaians eto abama His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ekono na Ghana ka ye de efri Kwame Nkrumah pen so ebepem Mahama ne pen so president shemfinfin emu prime minister so omo ebeye ku ni ade ni nyina na Ghana ye ka ye de 122 billion. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama which had you know the beka hono was around 54 billion within the 4 years. And Ghana e ka ye de 291 billion
as of December last year.
As we speak. Yamfa this year, Omoko Bobusia be we will talk about it. Omoko pay some 5 billion be Bosia be abekaho. Enti I'm sure say a few we nkona wie no na ye twam 300 billion. The extreme say na na don ko ade 169 billion. Ene di abeka Ghana ka ho. Enti ya na se me pese obi ate ase a yanhwe Kwame Nkrumah penso John Dramani Mahama penso bosi omu nyina boye enoma omu ye ede ye na Ghana ni bia enya so mfaso yanhwe akoso modam eka Nkrumah eka oboye ho tema motorway eka Nkrumah ka oboye ho akwanya Nkrumah yi schools osisi ye hospitals osisi ye training colleges universities neka oboye no fast forward John Rollins so by ono so be ball e kan bi kan ho but we can ena ye ka say Rollins nyame fa na currency ye betumi de yensa kire normal training colleges polytechnics ni universities ni ade a oyeye a ene yenya so mfaso yenhwe president Kofuo ye betumi de yensa yakọ neka oboye ene ya kire normal ono so eyeye ni aba John Dramani Mahama Professor Mills nyame fa na currency ono so we can do same say John Dramani Mahama yenhwe Asante Mantem ha ono ne car oboy de beka Ghana ye ka hu ye 54 billion ye kwa circle interchange eka no ho ene eyade ye nyina ye hu omo ye interview bi won kran na omo bi sankrofo budget no eho no mko gina twaye today cars are just passing traffic bi a ho COVID-19 ba ye ne nanado ene na ban ma ye hu se problem bi a Ghana ye wo mu osese no COVID-19 hospitals are John Dramani Mahama ACC we can talk of Legon Hospital yenim se Legon Hospital no eno na eje health minister aji MPP mpanyifo ni bebre I can talk of Napo ni omunyina ayade a eka Mahama boy ye no oyesi ho no infa so de bra nipa save omo today e be your ministers agene nkwa yamna santemantemu a Afari Hospital Bakwai Hospital even Kwamfuanochi me bo president Kufo Abaso obesi emergency unit John Dramani Mahama at the eye center ultramodern is emergency when chai edi nhwe animu enti wo hwa president Kufo de na wo hwa Mahama de aye niwa ene small boy won say me hye bibi me call ye kire say emfie no me call manim kakra do I look young and handsome ehun benya say me hye bibi we ene I can read because of the John Dramani Mahama here
almost your maternity Kufo do type old maternity blog no you say ebubu a almost Kufo
say no there
500 bed capacity
I know the MPP rep wa ha ubisa no na or dancing around it. I'm sure say he's warming himself. Say one man one he can jot it. And also say I can do it 2 against 1. I can do it for bishop. Na yaba sentiment my water in so ayeno. So na do say o my in so free. Me baby amete ekire heya. They are buying sokoban for 3 weeks. And so emfa me Drew Bemu. Certainly baby for nyabi.
What the 3 weeks, 6 months.
6 months into free so no wa nyabi. Wa nya na do free so ni bi. Sorry for you. Ye kwa ye nim no. Ye kwa nsu a metumi aka Kumawu Waterworks. Kumawu ho na His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Sea Hospital. Aka nwuram. Ye kwa for me na we Sea Hospital. All this ene ye ka say obi hwe me or for me na ohun say oh, okay, yes, Mahama Bobosia, Nanado Baumiamu de Bonitriso, or Bobosia being Sida. Today, Oma make record. None
reckless borrowing.
Good, reckless borrowing. And only for Mina Hospital, any Kumawu Hospital, any Waterworks, any Mampong and so, and a man for Nyan Sonum, and a reckless borrowing. What we are sensible borrowing. Show us the what this had way 169 a year. Most of them free SHS near shooting it down. Free SHS in Yabosum, Bosia near the free SHS. Any Ghanaian or Padisiano, pick your phone. Free SHS and 98% of petroleum and for sure yenya yeka there to say the better education from Koranga to university almost 98%. Today almost 6.2 billion and a free SHS and primary schools suffer. Primary schools bre bisa teachers and mofra no performance. You see, this is not how we govern a nation. We must be fair to the facts. Now young share Bosia boy wona odi abetumo yebeka ho asem Ghana for yenya clear penalty 7 December 2020 say ye bayi nanado ene baumia ne omo aka na kotena nchen ene ye ball away what you say ye ntumi anhye goal no enti ene ye koye nim no the realities will stare us in the face omo say omo my light they should come. I'm sure in the budget see to your book they must give us say kania no Ghana bo ho kase usika ye fa ye meme de bena de ye nyina no ye de mae saa we say no e ka bo man ni ensuo na ye nya bi kurampo ni anom no na do yes single water project 4 years one year a single water project but bosi a wabono 169 billion na de bia meka se sa sika no wo de se me mambo bra kura no wo de sa 169 billion mamia kwa me nkroma maya akosomo na yenya so nkania me de mepa baabi me aye de ni akosomo no be maache e de aka ho something John Dramani Mahama and very well ema ene na nado ne na bai bae omo say generation no eye kania yi no aburo so enti omo twetwa contract ni bebremu ema ene de ka abraye simply because ejako tena no office na nado mu nyina omo say yentwetwam one contract omo twamu ye ko 164 billion one contract dollars so $164 million. Mene wu ne betu ya sa aka no. Ene from January to ene ya to petrol almost 6 times. Which means John Dramani Mahama or not deregulation anyhow. But eno de yante ene drivers are not complaining. E showmumu yesugu yemu yentumenka simply because nanado na ye president John Dramani Mahama na wa enka trade union near the demonstration and strikes akese but nanado one of us ebono kase yemu a one of us and ye president enti meme ye nye sa de no ye nya abotre 169 enka was a kejetia John Dramani Mahama bosi oboy na ebi ni kejetia yen ma menom etim and Jetia store sika omutia unim di omutia this money is coming to omanimu John Dramani Mahama you say oye reckless borrowing and odi sika jetia and wo be kwa akoto jene ntos air conditions so wona ma hwehwem wo furu abronsan John Dramani Mahama you say wa mobrau no sika jetia no ni obo bra no di obeye ene say Kumasi Town Roads ubisa Bernard osi onti Kumasi meanwhile ubisa no adwuma nanado de 169 ayen osi Kumasi Town Roads 1992 His Excellency Jerry John Rawlings and a year kwan me na meti ya me ya hujuni I saw it enti say wo ba na asphalt wo na de bibe guso a wo se wa ye kwan na de oye from adwuma no ono nso nka say ni ekwan ni ho no tutu yi gutters ono de no yeye ta wo pasane Malcolm ase ya ekwan ya nanado guso Andrew ahojo no kohwe Malcolm ho ehwa tutu filling station animo hwe akwan ya nanado se waye kopatase Father Kodjom TUC na kohwe nanado 169 no mo se om de ayekwa kohwe de ete wan kasa baabi a wo free na wo bo MP abaso die ntina na nka mo pese mutu mo MP no mo kwan nyese minim baabi a wo free o
ye kwan
you have one of the worst roads in Ashanti region
osofo so you suffer pa dia and then the research na
don't go personal so what the case so we are suffer pa you are attacking me and I will not spare you
that be so did as a reverend there
na you too Chinese issues
so that be e can me e de no kra and e adwuma ana me boa so okay kwan wansem dia and you kwan the research here say the way
we need major road issues
ye kwan akwan the entire kwan enu 0.1% people from quite atale and today I can say that means only fact and someone can and someone can say but the mammy can say ujina Sunday mu preach and so political
the way I will give it to him
difference wom
I will give it to him
there be mammy say difference wom people to there be the problem they say so the power can say there be akwan once a month mammy say ekwan once a year can honorable 2016 and I do any year
honorable please listen to listen to me was it
kwan dia
was it kwan
was it me constituency and the word and I'm say ekwan dia say
what you for say entisa
that be
me that say and that cut that we know honorable transform was it omo holiday omo ni challenge sir
you need challenge sir
0.6%
Afum kwa
let's take say hono de omo kwan eye but we have other areas omo so kwan eye to asma
Bernard wo baaye wo hwa me no starting on a very good note majo number kra we are meeting for the first time never try to go personal young go to the issues no
I'm sorry for that.
And yaro ahodo ben e na agi ni padua no aboso yare bi ti se eni yare akoma yare wadumu ato wontimi ndidi oba ne barima wontimi nwo me kanfo tahwid naturopathic clinic adodo na efreye Madam Katri clinic di amawo Madam Katri clinic enam homeopathy naturopathy subetu yare nyina efri ho ye ne kofa bae de Madam Katri tonic aba adwaman so eboa siesie ni padua no ni titiw e de ma emma wonoma won fichiko ensisi so yie sa wono Madam Katri tonic eboa ema woni padua no enyini yie na aboa ma wo fichiko so aye kama ye won fidie wa waso ye de aba adwaman so ye de hwehwe di padua ni mu eyi yarwa hodo ahintani nyina edi Katri clinic e wo Kumase Asante Mantembu adi ne wo Madam Katri clinic yarwe nyina last time
FD ya hwehwe sei dwade ka to yi mu agye atum se eye
animdia me manfo nyi bintina mo ne yira ebinum be from ho se me yo omo asofo nso no mo nya maso
yensan e wa kwaba djumade no e Sinupi aha inyamre na nsam no ye Sinupi waje se 0202668464 ye share budget 2021 dear name Honorable Chairman Sabosu Minister for Parliamentary Affairs Member of Parliament for Swami Constituency and Ghana's Majority Leader of Parliament at the Elgoto or my Ghana anymore. A cow my year dear and I did home come say a cano say from coming from my parents were if it's another fado ne pencil. Yeah, to about December 7 near any December no and some of us said the second term national. Now a kaya dear 291 billion and I said Sicano the Ayadane check here that's a 169 billion and one penny nana okufado in fear and 9 besia wabo eno no oti free dada no mu a na say ne de no wa chiripa wo bro mind penny for my back from coming from time nyina eso hon komo ne yedi busa say sika no besia na ya bo no ye de yeden afutu a yisane tu ye ne say ye mo besia emfa nto duane me yere ne ye mani ye obesia e de japade say de be ya dachi enchirima be hunu ebia na wunim bi sikara de de aye wale nsefa bra ebenya mra ne akenkan e de ama na obi anso ehunu ebia be awo no meni obi ma ye hunu sika no yo mpere akufo do be bo besia obo no de aye honkobo e na yedi evangelist first mame on besia
medisi no de na make na say sanka ye hwe sa sika we ya Nanado 169 and also say Nkrumah penso ne Mahama nyina entinka project bi as a presidency aye bia no at least Nanado anase say ye me na menya seskan me ye kohwini kura no e wo sa project no metumi aye 1111 e de ka ho enti say ye komfo anochia na masi different one e bia ba bia bi ni
but who said the economy at that time the price of even cement kurano
good and I make sure say yeah the price na akosoro ne bibia say na wo kana 122 ye wo mu akosomo ye wo mu Komfo Anoche Emergency Eye Center KNUST Legon look all around you bibia hu akwan bia ni nyina wo sa abosia 120 enti sa wo mpo de waje manabro a yemfa se price normal bo kosoro ne sa de ni nyina e wo se wutumi e de sa normal no 1111 e ka ho wonim se nka Ghana abrochirefo nyina betwa plane betwa ticket aba Ghana
honorable tachi asamokan wose besia na e ka mo jagu ho no energy muja health insurance nyina no o ma betua ntie nyina kan kai ho
yes aban bia ni ho a after Kwame Nkrumah one beto ekabi one tua kabi President Kofu Rollins tua otua bi President Kofu betua bi you see say me papa eja me fie so obobosia na disi abronsan ene nyame ato nsa frɛ no me na mabedi ade efie ni si ho but me de bi ma han ni ade bosia no boy no wantua nwie enti mejije hu sika no me de bi ehwe fie me de bi ye maintenance na me de bi nso tua na aka no na no ye beka se me ye abofra pa no kwafo na se me baaye no ma bebo bosia no poche me papa edan na obo bosia siye no meje hu mfaso ebi ni petrol ni ade a from Rollins time President Kufuor beye no commercial John Dramani Mahama DB count yenya time ye be go into details and budget
honorable a colleague watching now was can you mention any tertiary institution one penny by a car boy or DB I well still on the debt.
Oh yeah.
I say is it not a shocking news to you even as an NPP member? So BCN say now within 4 years.
Oh,
Mabo.
BCN there. Let me
a car. I'm about to Ghana.
Yes.
The idea who I got an EB and that's be an Union. But then we say a dear way any dear another for the buy 4 years or bay yeah and my car mutually media so fast. If you there, he'll be such a good mention one tertiary institution. Come by a mercy.
Say yes in the full and I say yes in the full.
Yes.
Oh, see about yes, CB. Eastern region. Yeah, yes, CB. And I'll call your campus man on campus. Where buildings are buying this cinema. Expansion are buying a Where Kumasi campus expansion are buying a even second cycle crown cohe. A region for secondary school, a region for secondary school cohe. Ko Aguna senior high technical, my former school. Ko Aguna SDA. Ko Confornochi. Na cohe a year. So ko ba ya Nancy a day a buying a kukresu senior high school. E blocks are Omampany da John Drama John Dinana Dolphins, you know, for some empanazim to me said that ending the DD. Ojaho. E blocks no budget in the see a complete 28. It will your plus. Here, a can. Who check the percentage wiser?
Why is calculation now?
Never.
Right, I was on 0202668464. If you say, yeah, you communicate a car and a broso, he said, if you are one expectation of Bassa,
who checking the percentage? Who checking the percentage wiser? From 2004 to 2008, they increased by 30%.
Okay.
From 2008 to 2012, they increased by 269%.
Okay.
From 2012 to 2016, debt increased by 243.
Okay.
From 2016 to 2020, increased by 137.
Mr. Calculation is same
percent. No.
So I say, it's not quality of math and quality is now almost mathematics.
And you're checking the difference in the room.
Mathematics. You say, I see at the car 10 Ghana cities.
Yeah.
And never fact. And so I got a deca baby. And so 5 Ghana cities.
Yes.
So I got 15. And I got senior bar. And so I got another car. 19 Ghana cities. I become. To the 15 or 19, and now because percentage wise, no 19, no, they are no so say 15 they are no. I call about yes, mass near you, it's a column.
Oh, say a percentage near. And I
percentage asked to what?
Debt, a car will be on my Mampany Bia upon. And I suppose,
what kind?
Yes,
what can you say? Finance ministry about to just say, yeah, dear now. 291.
Yeah, my dear.
Good. And why you have to say Mahama so air chrono. Nefri from the first president 57. Kwame Nkrumah parents were BC Mahama time. Now you 122. Why you have to say?
But me make a percentage wise.
No. Why you have to say?
Yeah.
Okay. Duty free more. Difference no. Why the other song?
Oh, say yeah, can't yeah. Me sure say Mpaboa was 2004. The price and yepe.
And yepe.
It's all kind of the friends the price of goods nso aye dey aka ho enti na wo check on say percentage no na ya no mo de no e do so se na de hwe e ka e ba e betua energy debt nko a $12.5 billion na e betua ni nyina e wo busia e kwaji no mu bio so what you say eto obi tie na o ka say e na e kwaji sika e na amfa anya hwe e na agi sika e na anya hwe adwuma na nakufu ado aye no mompanyi bie no wo say adwuma ne da a flagship programs are all running Penapco check Napco enipa 100,000 by 700 cities check here a month crack check here
o say the sana o kan de ne o fa nipa be 200,000 aye kan be ko be 400
yes sector why ye the number of beneficiaries are wo
okay
the flagship program wo dia aba ebi ti say one district one factory one village one dam okay the dams are where finance minister now say papa you kasa kwani say majority leader yes all kasa no o say aban multi-purpose dam or palugu ni nyina nye sa sika yi bi uko tamale interchange tamale airport ni nyina nye sa sika ni bi eti me nua nti ha na so waka se yenim de odiska na aya no waka Legon hospital is started by Iyabe if I to betimi atremium catchment aban ben initiative Legon hospital yes omampanyi ku 4 pence no or start here etuba na we be say omampanyi mahama why ade so buy obeto aso eno de me de ne credit man ba so be say as ono de kofa buy na eni wo no kofa buy de a eno me no nya adwene so what I say enti oman se de bi kan no omampanyi bi eni wo ba omo besia na emum eniyama a wo de be ya manfo ahunu no eno na ye ka ho asem edutia na se bia oye waje se oba na kikikikike na wonye se na enye se ye ka inner-city roads no ya 2016 ene ye asukore mampon kwai enru ayibia na se ye ene ekwan ya omampanyi akufo ado oye techness na echeke ada ayi omu ya 2016 kwan bi omu ya edi 2 weeks pepepe na kwan na sha se ene inner-city roads kumase we hu kra no wudi free batase eba a friend say ahojo wudi free Ken University eko ejuso wudi free ahojo runabout to ya eba wudi free asokwa eba enye kwan ni bia sa asokwa remampon road na mo ye say no ene sa kwan ni nyina no ye sa de ebi aguso ukoso am ebi wo ho me constituency Koko Rose wa yaye said the bidika na me ne ji achi no uko me constituency metumi aka say constituency the whole Ghana your constituency na ye need quite home problem so what is obi frɛ aka tro say if just a east and a south district ye kwanya insida electricity expansion na yaye uko ba bi say anyrofi na nsia no munya light e was such a Afram Place district eti binia na ti ha no so ka se ye giska na afanya hwia na ebosem ka na o be se enukwe no be ma Ghana for ede
e ka na mobile 4 years mabo no justifiable
oh yes no ka se dibi tue ye boka e de fiaka se de bidi kan so ofi ho nam no ehun so na no bi na ede ye di eyi edi no na nam enu ti ye ka na ba no ye ntimi enja won ka se enye na ebo yiti no ye gya ho da bia esa governance is about continuity what you say it dey edija awo no na ye say enye na ye say ban ye dey e be ni ye ban so ye ni yam obi on say health insurance ye adwuma obi enu hospital bi enu be ka say de ne ka health insurance yi o say ye de ka kra no a e ka dada ye tia
o mo dwana dey am ko because me radio na one communicated ye din ko na the point was perform with money de my pa o bisa zo ni magazine ka e wana e dem mo pa o and then minimum do what we cast already. So just be a champion in front of direct. Some say the more well, I was able to 18 0202668464 WhatsApp. Papa Nyamre and come out. You have Ghana's depth stock, a car or main, your dear. Few coming chroma pens were ABC and net 291. Monte and Monte team film. Now we would dear no car would dear was a butia. But I'm on your phone and Casano, and no Casa, and at times Nayana high. Say we buy Bobby Siano dog, Bobby Siana saying who do the eye, Bobby Siano dog. And nay, who father also buy, also will be pow, will be pa. But a beer said the beer account, a beer no deal, there be a 1 year one. It be an evangelist in a new year. I didn't say 0202668464. You try home and you have from Captain my bar. Give it to us.
The animudia me man for ni bintina mo ne yira ebinu be from ho se me o ma asofo nso no mo nya ma asorema akom
asante memu a akonfo ne yedo wasen nso boni ekoso no amro ben eya kristofo ene nkrambofo enti ye nyame som na nyam kwase anyame na yeso obi o ho amene wo kase stroke a chino wa ya stroke no enko malam sebra enti difo no nim to de yesu no de motia ba fie difo mu obekọ puppet so jo obensa difo mu awi tramadol masa
piao so ho adwiru ene danta de bibo ano Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center ebena da bia 7 to 9 p.m. ene ni hia Kumewood TV na yenyamre enwura sunsumu ena suko na ohaw eda oso no Mala mohwe na onyi emfiri o emfa emawo etwere yare bia edam usika ena ayira na hwehwe ojapade bi na obi enam kwa bi so age afiri onsam utu gold ena opese onya emwa anase ebia kontuo enema ayedin amawo oba no odaso jonso anase akontuo enema ayedin amawa bra Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center na kache kwaw atibie tieniye kwaw atibie Eastern Region eho ena Mala mo esikafo amantem wo de odu kwaw a wo so kwaw atibie uduru ho bebe pa wo yira kora no a busa Unity FM ana wo be frɛ 0246 647 247 0246 647 247 senenso se malam onye sikaduro onye double money pocket no dry azafo no mo yesa ade no ne kronkron original and Mala Muhammad Spiritual and Herbal Center and yensia ebenada bia 7 to 9 p.m. ewo Kumewood TV ne afana live ewo Unity FM ewo ko TV eya TV na intumi emwa piao
well all pia obusia say iflimu why the den it is slower we na fa kokko we na say dia wa wonu tua wo fa say no mo ma ye dena ma menti we we na wo yere na mfa nkonkoye diguma na ma why so wa ebusia yenko nkumase na munko nkumase
Martin Luther
Oh, nah. It's been a long time. Oh, yeah.
Missy Minia obra kwantu ya wo semina na ma ya nkatwa na ni ahwedan yo na bisu ya pani asoma me semina me pada o ma se akamara na me se ya chini ye nya da kai
Yeah, Nansani.
Nansani mwana that's why wo shia me dia we need problem kra wo beje di se me free Dubai betru Ghana ana me na na confidential wo to na nanu ansia do ni eje yi ni bo me so e wa bre de me ni kapre odu obi na kire me Gospel casket shop e wo kuma se labor haya me ko ho no ma anu musa ni me yes kan hye hye yo wo de bi ntwa no misika ye di ma me se me fa no ni so afi so ye se me ambulance na me sam fa de be da no enka ambulance ani je be down o mu ambulance service into any problem kra ani na ye nya ni se u benya sika kakra bi di ato ase you know se kuma stay by plan no ye ko na ko kira o some Gospel casket shop ye wona ka me bere te se de mu hu ni na Gospel casket shop ye wo kuma se infant new town ye di labor office na ben Gospel casket shop ana we are the dealers in quality local and foreign caskets.
Kumewood TV aba amansane yena yedie Kumawood TV aba Amansane yenga yedie Sini papa ben na upe biashe Amansane winyano be
for yes I am Makwaba Jumali no Sinopi we are live on Kumawood television meaning at Sir Mike Project Cerebra 0202668464 you go so AD and Komo Yedin Komo on Ghana's debt so far on Tuesday not minority no Ebusa Ghana Yakayesa Wambani and Kantre and then it has been made clear and bare to all Ghanaians say Yedeka 291 billion Yedeka Tikaya Diano NPP for actually honorable the church say Omodi aye Juma Papa ewo manimu difference of 169 no Omodi Juma Papa o manimu etumi apoa compared to NDC for ka omo boy here Mahama dia 54 billion on one hand afanya hwe no Omodi Papa 169 it is your person you want Papa dia you need to multiply by 2 because another say another 4 years bit me as a Bobby Siano in Siho and Penny as I dear Buano Mino let me appear Hong Kong and I defend Ebra and then issue back where by and they say we are going to have some taxes. I was I made me to an Abuama recover from the COVID-19 pandemic. Now taxes now me and Sa the Likai the friend of COVID-19 health COVID-19 health levy. I don't know 1%. And only if you have to me at the COVID-19 and then sanitation and pollution levy SPL sanitation and pollution levy and so Mr. Speaker, notwithstanding the progress that we have made in the areas of sanitation and pollution, there is still a lot more to be done. Especially we need to improve urban air quality and combat air pollution, support the re-engineering of landfill sites at Pond and Wuti, support fumigation of public spaces, schools, health centers, markets, and then revamp or reconstruct poorly managed landfill facilities. Goes on and on and on. Into Ibetria sanitation and pollution levy. And also a tour abano introduce energy sector recovery levy, energy sector recovery levy, and also a tour abano at the eba amayet mebetria and have the rotos and so also babatum na etumi enyaska etumi at the abwa or mino and then 1% health levy and also no ibebe enya and so at the free one tibe at 12 and 9 and abano at the bar beya me idea and if you how any so COVID-19 at me at the Abre Evangelist
Senior. Yes, sir, Washe Ghana Yeka DCC ne MPP Amayate CSA 291 no. The children say me pese Ghana ni bia Washe me ne 80. The children say wo say Mike say ye chesa aka we ye use 30 million population na mame figure no good ye do 35 in a year say ye de me 30 in a year roughly obia Ghana ni bia deka 9,700 ye use 35 no ne enka say Ghana ni bia deka 9,300 that is 93 million Ghana ni bia wona me ba Christina wadi 1 year eka eda na nimu ni o and ekwanya ye befa so etua saaka we enie let me be fair to the facts John Dramani Mahama nso kono na Ghana ni bia de ka 4,000 and then another de 5,700 and abeka obia de ho ekwanya ye befa so etua ne ye ekoso no levis no ne ekwanya ye fa so de etua saaka no unya abotra sapania no wo he no eye adwuma ye nkoye nim nji nye premature ejaculation ekwanya e befa so atua saaka ne se bibia ye ton no Ghana ha sei ye no Ghana ha sei ye kra saa nneɛma no nyinaa adwuma bi a yɛyɛ no yɛde ɛtoɔ nkakra ɛbɛtoto so because ɛka wei afei ne sɛ ngawo ɛmene ɔman no but ɛwɔ sɛ yɛyɛ kwan ɛwɔ sɛ yɛyɛ school ɛwɔ sɛ yɛsi hospital saa nneɛma no must still go on ɛno nti ɛwɔ sɛ yɛde toɔ ɛto biribiara wotɔ ɛso already no nsuo yɛ ekura mi wokɔtɔ a ɛtoɔ ɛda so ɛno nti na saa deɛ wei tare na pɛmpɛ mu no sɛ metua 1 cedi na ɛde tɔ nsuo wei a 1 cedi no mu wei kyerɛ sɛ 1 cedi no a certain pesos ɛkɔ aban hɔ ɛnkɔ deɛ ɔyɛ nsuo no hɔ na sɛ yɛ breaking nsuo no mpo down a nsuo no ankasa nipa no ɔyɛ package no wohwɛ ne labor cost ne biribi a ne workers otua ɔmo ka ɔmo tua tax bottle no ɔkɔtɔ nyɛ ɔno a na produce bottle no otua tax wɔ so enti ɛkwan bi a ɔbɛfa bi a yɛgyegye nkakra wɔ hɔ ne yɛde bi tua kadada no ne yɛde bi nso abɔ ɔman no ho bra ɛde bi atua aban workers adwumayɛfoɔ ka enti deɛ aban a ɔmo ba power ɔmo ka sɛ ɔmo mahama kyɛ sɛ I don't on say minua ben ka say on papa na semti ni din no kro ntumi mbo. I feel in communication we should take some of these things out completely. And yes me His Excellency Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo metena aka bibi insem fata sa bata ni die ho. Enye buo enye ni die. Nti going forward no ni omo beye ne say omo de COVID levy COVID yi ba ye de nsem bebre aba o ene Nanado ne naban omo e ka say omo be move oman from taxation to production chese omo be jai eto a ye de ye bibia no no omo be ye ndwuma ye de esomfa so be ye bibia na nka wo say Mike wo koto petra unsungu yem sene a wo ye no anopa bia de bia ka ni si wo hu ka no kra na wo ye mrahyew what you say because of petrol boa anu no mu ede COVID levy almost say yamfa bibimra COVID-19 yamfa ho mbagege to it means say MPP sika no mo checheye ye wo ho ya say coffee reforms we na MPP fo na cheche sika bi mo alert na eba phone no me manya bi no me betua sa aka ne bi ensuo a ye che ya manya bi anom no me betua sa aka no nsuo no eka ede abeto kanea no de me yusu ye enti me tua de a wa yusu wutua unsu yem it's unreasonable say ensuo wonom na ye sefa hu sika bra na ye odin but the unfairness ne say wanya bi ne ye age hu sika anu nti COVID-19 omo de beje to enti ukoto milk ukoto esichire ukoto empaboa wa ye hu hyemi ukoto next one na ne bo no be kosoro because ye wodeka e wo se otua aban hia omasa the roto which means me koma mpon me yiri krom me twato minimum 2 depending on baby amekwa aduru minimum 2 1 cedi ene be kosoro e bia be 1 cedi 50 which means omo eje sa sika no e bia free ho efri mimi bottom efri wu bottom enye abaye yi gaming tax eye omo pechacha lotto my bet ni sa de no ene wo kotwa my bet a sika wutua no ebe kosoro because ya de kakra to so ma wo de atua eka wo de wo 97 million na wo de na ya je na kakra bibia ni Ghana ha ye free ya na mo ho ya modade sanitation and pollution abanya obaye oka so obeye Accra the cleanest city in Africa and Accra is one of the dirtiest capitals in the world efi pa enti ya beje metuo ya beje wo se Mike tuo ni edibi akoyi bola ni efi even Ashanti region Kumasi ha say ebia dokro ye no eye wo na wo betua ye me na me betua hwemanim me metoma mahama me tua wotoma Nanado wo na wo betua ye koyanim no NHIL aye National Health Insurance Levy ye de 1% beka ho enti sika wudi tua for health insurance ebe kosoro una ubetua me na me betua wote ase ye koye nim no VAT flat rate 1% increment enoma bebre wo ho ayeto a yetua VAT sa woji receipt na obehu se ya calculate enoma bi wo ho obe keka bom no na watua bi akande ade na nkasa bo no ho eno so obekosoro enti milk a wokoto esichira a wokoto bibi a wokoto ebo no ebekosoro eye Ghana kana nanado abo no na wutua no wu na obetua me na metua ye koye nim na no so meka bi nka ho Esra unim Esra nsamo eba ho energy sector levy bia His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Deba say e wo say ye de kakra to petrol buo no so na e ka da ho no yemfa nkoyi na yemfa bi nto ho adaache senka e ka bi e wo say ye de bra wo no watua ne kakra na nado mu de to api edi Mahama atem Ghana fo bi agitu mu koto abama no ene omoba e omo antwa saade enum omo de akoje bosia o omo de akoye nsi hu His Excellency John Dramani Mahama e create bibi omo atumi anya e de aye nsi hu akoje bosia ene omo de bi ebeka hu me wo bebre taxes ne de Ghana fo mu betua bebre ye nyina yete ha enti menu yanka bi
emfa emma Tawhid Naturopathic Clinic Tawhid Naturopathic Clinic ewo Kumasi Bodi Junction ho ena omwo enkane no yefa Madam Catherine obeka ipa no a omo ena Madam Catherine mojadro eneyim hospital kokura si wono enya agro yare bia ha obia no oba ho a omo ebehwe say diabetes say stroke hepatitis say kidney problem yare bia o your balance no for free bia betimi akọ no behwe right from the first month e come to the 9th month obewo asundwe mo ha obia Emma Obano Tawhid Naturopathic Clinic Kumasi Bodi ede kanfo ede amawo we amedia for clinic ese pa eboa na ehwe ahofro ndro so omopa no enye noketwa modern a na foundation na yare na kwasa yare abra na omuntimi enhwe obefre omo ewo 0278 626262 0278 626262 from one omo ebeji oso fanye chebra le nyamre enkenkan for screen and numbers libu so onye chere fa so ba na enkenkan etumi enfama your budget and then your cost so e ma se wetwa honorable yenhwe taxes are eba 1% COVID-19 health levy and then gaming tax SPL sanitation pollution levy the issue of tolls you say you have a toll and also move and the account metio COVID-19 is in free move and I'm also about COVID-19 levy yare enso da so mu a egu enuma
yo best start every sanitation and pollution levy you also say old school is ho ade a friend PPT producers pay tax enye Ghana hanko na sa levy no ebia aban be introduce ana say aman be brain so e wo hodada na ninjira mu ne say obi a ono eye fin no ye the tax kakra ye be obetua to kakra ama fin na oye no ye de adi hu dwuma ye de aprapra free krom eno ne sa tax no enu ti mi hu se eye adenwanwa bia na se ya de hu bia ase mi ne ka se kwa enu hu eni ese tax ye betua ene ehu ahwan wenya de hu bia eya de ewo ho it is in existence but just say Ghana na any after they introduce and I be sure say enye say buy no ana ya sha say aban no obema stakeholders abam na omo hu kwan obefa so ayede aye no na o can say the 1% to health insurance so omo ba no omo ka kire say 2009 omo ka kire say omo ba be ye one time premium e so say Ghana for erem fees ade no one time premium no omutimi ye omutimi anye e ka omu say ja to e ho no ye bae ne ye be clear sa e ka ni nyina enu ntinu sa bae ne se niema bo akosoro ene wiase bibie ni ho a e de bo adibie no ne bo e kofom bibie e kosoro say see a party any quality there e dey nti na yɛmfa kakra nyɛ den ɛnto so ne enjoy quality na yɛ enjoy ne say no
but the point is that aban number enya nti on the state donation address call no was say over 420,000 people and mo dwuma kora hwere wo mo kora mo dwuma ko mo nya dwuma kora biu because of COVID-19 was 770,000 performance to market ya kora no so wo kuma TV a na no waje 1,500 waje 2,500 ya tiso some private sector na so no na drive the economy now COVID na enkoi aban say me side the 12 for asaya ba aba be boa. So the point is that COVID now wo boy business say emfanye nyuma no COVID ne nkoi a nyuma no akofom no. How then do you still take more taxes from the public or from
1% into 1% in the say so I don't need 10 cedis 10 cedis 1% check my me
10 pesos
and they buy back ho it is 1% 10 pesos and they buy back ho no na ye dia aboa ama ya recover from sa ya reaniema ya dia ba beso so na e di ntina e wo say ye kasa ho bebre the tosso road to
the need of our roads
yes or say ye be review say you can say be review bibia na just say the bi be ka ho ana won ti ase
the sector minister
yeah
vetting he made it clear to all Ghanaians we go be him say minister can say road to no betum
but budget won asem na yake
but budget won asem
but one can say was it ye be review
taxes are
yes but o state here has say no one can say ye tum was it be review
okay
and say be review a na enyan review ya e dey ntina ka say ye increase
we should not
if you can't say review me pato what you say Debbie me pato Debbie me say Debbie you can't say review bibia say see bibi one existence na review a dey na
so
take it
for me
Debbie nye de wo adwen kire na ye kan de statement na wo ahinum no eno na nye de wo adwen na kire wo no enye na ye kan wasem me part say de wo statement no majority leader everyday no eno ho asem na ye kan o say review enti review dia enye on can say increase or na say decrease no and I reduce no o say review enti review no be pacho tie me e brofo no kan ye sabi ye nyina nya brofo ye nyina kasa brofo ye kasa ye nyina ye dey ye sua
okay
enti mi so enka
revenue measures e kwa be fa so a
yes
me ban pacho you know first we just carry aboa combine no yeah was COVID-19 e dey o dey aba or the sanitation dey aba or the rotos aba or the gaming dey aba you spoken on COVID-19 there no you spoken on that of the sanitation when it comes to toll no how about what toll there or be reviewing tea you have me can one is that what you're saying and I'm telling you sir
but the me so me patron say me can say or say David tie me patron tie me or see ye be review it say review no enya mai either say e increase and I say ye reduce no and it won't mean can say or can say review ni no ye be increase no
and I make actually say
it end me patron eno magana for enya clear e ho say ye can say review no one stating wo dey me ba wo dey ma me read
are you struggling
me I'm not struggling but what I'm telling you is say statement no make here no one can increase and I say bia o ha say so just say me patron so betimi so me na more platform no so me patron
sector minister call no o can say the next budget eba no ye betu rotos nu kakra yet media ya kwan ya wo Ghana is it wrong say ye betu roto kakra na ekwan ya yesu hu no yet nya ye dia ma ya na is it wrong
enye wrong but the man can say he say you know ade betu no so one can sector minister ho a statement yen na ka say in debate wo ho me patron what say just take it to ade debate wo ho no wo say budget no e na debate wo ho enye sector minister a statement o make here no e debate
mo review ya den
yes and review no I say e be review enti afi ne e ba be say be increase and say e be reduce no eno de o say review enti eno de me patcho ye mfa eno nto me mfa nka ho say ye say e beto en koso fear and panic e ma public no me da say what ma say ana de to so o say gaming we ye sure say wo wa uni sika e ko gaming my bet ne ene de kike ka ho sika ko na sa ban sabi obi chi kusua ne kusua boy sen kwachi kusu bi okoto kusua ne crate ebi 20 cedis obi wie na ne fa so kra nu 3 cedis mbeko vegetables wo de beye energy obi yusu obi wie na ne fa so kra kitua bi but obi tibi kwose de no obo games ano sika wonya no revenue wonya ne ye tax no a woni kusua bra ne ye tax na den na hwan esisi no it is about this one this no ma we nyina e ba e be boa me so se be boa ma economy no etimi agro because we said the yare esie aba be ye oman ya because sometimes na omanpanyi okufado ana no ye memobo because say yare pa si amaya kese akra this America ni UK no omo economy no aba down na so we Ghana upon all the effect na yare na nyan wo iso no so otimi de free feeding e buy DHS me no ka say the tag eno ho de omo me enka I say sometimes no ye can't negative side in point our buy na yi but I was sometimes also ye can't near my buy no so ye 428,000 JHS graduate omo be wie this year omo registration fee wa fa ni nyina SS for no so afa SS so afa sas kan di kunya free ne tax ya na be yusu dia ye enti say aban no so obe tax na be boy ne be yusu no wisely dia e dia yesa no ma we ya me de hu say e ya depa e man
ya fa sera enfa Mala Muhammad Spiritual and Herbal Center ebuzia aka chiro say nantanante no bibire na emwa be bia o last stop between abo pa Mala Muhammad ho say wo how amane e bi ne da wo so na bi na enkoyi entimi enfa ema wa chene so say Mala Muhammad ho wo se wonya court case na abese otimi ebo awa omadia na Mala etimi mo yetwe homra ye ba ye beto aso
Enyarwa ahodo ben na agi nipadua no aboso yare bi ti se eni yare akoma yare wadumu ato wontimi ndidi oba ne barima wontimi nwo mekanfo tahwid naturopathic clinic adodo na efreye Madam Katri clinic di amawo Madam Katri clinic enam homeopathy naturopathy subetu yare nyina efri ho ye ne kofa bae de Madam Katri tonic aba adwaman so eboa siesie nipadua no ne titiw de ma emma wonoma wo fichiko ensisi so yie sa wono Madam Katri tonic eboa ema woni padua no enyini yie na aboa ma wo fichiko so aye kama ye won fidie wa waso ye de aba adwaman so a ye de hwehwe di padua ni mu eyi yarwa hodo ahintani nyina edi Katri clinic ewo Kumase Asante Mantembu adi ne yewo Madam Katri clinic yarwe nyina last stop
FD ya hwehwe sei dwade ka to yi mu agye atum se eye
animudia me manfo nye bintina mo ne yira ebinu be from ho se me yo omo asofo nso no mo nya ma asorema akom
asante maimu akonfo ne yedo wasen nso boni ekoso no amro ben eya kristofo ene nkrembofo enti yenya me so na nya nkwase anya me na yeso obi o ho amene wo kasa stroke a cheno wa ya stroke no enko malam sebra enti difo no nimto din yesu no de moti abafie difo mu obekọ puppet so jo obensa difo mu awi tramadol masa
piao so ho adwiriw ene danta da bibo ano Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center ebena da bia 7 to 9 p.m. ene nsia e Kumewood TV na yenya mre enwura sunsumu ene osuko na o haw eda oso no Mala mohwe na onyi emfiri o emfa emawo etwere yare bia edam usika na ayira na wohwe ojapade bi na obi enam kwa bi so age afiri nsem utu gold na opese onya emwa anase ebia kontuo enema ayeden amawo oba no odaso jonso anase akontuo enema ayeden amawa bra Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center na kachi kwaw atibie tienie kwaw atibie Eastern region eho ena Malam wo esikafo amantem wo de odu kwaw a wo so kwaw atibie uduru ho bebe pa wo yira kora no a busa Unity FM ana wo be frɛ 0246 647 247 0246 647 247 sene so se Malam onye sikaduro onye double money pocket no dry azafo no mo yesa ade no ne kronkron original and Mala Muhammad Spiritual and Herbal Center ene yensia ebena da bia 7 to 9 p.m. ɛwɔ Kumawood TV ne afa no live ɛwɔ Unity FM ɛwɔ Kumawood TV ɛyɛ tie bi na entumi ɛmwa piaw
well awol pia obusia yɛ sɛ yɛfiri mu mo ayɛ dɛdɛn nti mesrɛ wo a wina fa kɔkɔ wohwɛ mu na sɛ deɛ wawo no tua wɔfa ne sɛ no mo ayɛ dɛn ama me nti wodɛ wina ne wɔyere na mfa nkɔnkɔyɛ diguma no ma me wae
abusua yɛnkɔ no kumase
monkɔ no kumase
Martin Luther
Oh, nah. It's been a long time. Oh, yeah.
Missy Minia, or Brapon to Yao. Seven and I am curtain and Yasha Dion. The Penia Smammy, seven Rame Pada, Massy and Pamara. Namasi, Chini, Yada Kayi.
Someone that's why we need problem cry. Who made this some free to buy better Ghana? And I'm in a confidential. What one and one said to me a day in the promise. So I will bring them in the capre or do you be next time a gross rate casket shop. I will massy labor higher. Me call one man. I know what's me yes, can't say you. You would have been Chawano. Missy Kaya demand as a family. I saw a bit yes, me ambulance. Let me sound pretty, everybody done no and come. Ambulance, any level down, only ambulance service into any problem cry. I mean, now, the year is so open as a crab with the outwas here. You know, so come stay by Plano. You couldn't put it out. Some Ghostway casket shop here. You will not come every to send your movie now. Ghostway casket shop, you will come and say, in front of Newtown, you didn't labor office in the bank. Ghostway casket shop, and we are the dealers in quality local and fallen caskets.
Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa ben
Right, yes I busi afọ aba yena man said the biada mofidi eda Kumawood TV na mohe sinu yego so edi nkomo aje nche fa bra nyamre enkenkan enfa emao this is Philip from Mandai. It is an undeniable fact that NPP as a political party has failed. This stems from the fact that the NPP representative there can't even mention a single project under another government. The only thing that he can boost off is job for the boys. Well, Philip, and so they are there, Pandai, Abba, I don't know. See, God bless you for your good work. Amoroso is my name from Isansi Bonte Fufum. The Honorable must tell the truth and stop hitting at the backside waist. NPP, shame on you. Or say, hey, NPP people, 4 years for 169 billion, then 8 years will be some billions of coins. The name still okay. Yana Senentia is Sansi Montefo for Iswadi Eco School. Na say Orozos Bani Sunya Montefua. Semibri from Teacher Constitution, you are more say the NDC are now bleeding after hearing the hope of hope budgets. In fact, Nanado will soon make Ghana like USA or Canada. Greetings to Honorable Mavis in Kasabuadu, the Efija Sector East MP, and Dr. Muhammad Bumia, Vice President of our Republic. This is Hamidu from Sunyani. This government don't have anything good to offer the general public. All they know is borrowing. May Allah have mercy on this country. I'm praying that after the 4 years, this corrupt NPP government will never come to power again. Oh Allah, listen to our prayers. But the NPP man in your studio is confused. Please let the NPP man know that education in Ghana is not only SHS. You should also look at the
basic schools. Well, Honorable Ate. Good evening, Sir Mike. I want to ask Bernard, what is the intention of the government towards narco trainees? Are they mechanizing them or what? Because their contract is ending this year. Joe, they are also at the Abba, I don't know. Good evening, sir. Jonas, watching you from Incaria. In fact, I've been following you over the weeks. Your show is great. You have the competency. You speak the facts. No intimidation, no fear. The NPP must be bold to tell all Ghanaians what they have used the money they have borrowed in 4 years for. Period. And also, I don't know. I say, great show this afternoon, but the NPP is bleeding. Tomorrow, they will come back to normalcy. Hamza. Hamza, what do you mean by normalcy? That you, back to normalcy. Is that what you mean? Madam Mohammed Spiritual and Herbal Center, Katina Nura, or how near my near and a Hukumu, Branamala, and wow, court case and a war, they are reading that I was for say, Ubano, and look at so, or I saw agent so, or Ranobo Bridges, and I say, yeah, now, how big and a stroke, hepatitis, neither I know about by trade, but in a tech, also too good, and a man Kuye, or be a Juma, and a man Kuye, or stores, you head Antonio Massa, but say, and a man Tumpong. Skasemua bra na malam etimi emwa wo how bia ware na enkoyi obi na ewu kwasia ojo japade bi wabo bia kodra bochire enei oti udi kwa na boafu a bra na malam etimi mo oyo ba omo fepa nso aware no ebi emma na bu kwasia ose bra ma wati ete ama mema so etimi ama ohun se de onso kosi etie eye Eastern region kwa atibi eskafo amantem ho and Mala Muhammad a war, Kwawu to be Escafo Aman 27 years. Now there Juma or Kwawu to be or the CEO at the Unity 7.7 FM. To Mala Ubun Krofaso live on Kumo TV every Tuesday Biano or 7 to 9. Will be down Kumabaha Abba Musica. Mala Muhammad 0246 647 247 0246 647 247 friend. Now on your so. And they our budget one good news are buy and it's one penny I say a fee a juma beer and I say a dear beer about the bichas here. I won't ye now bang a fee or rare not more completely now. All abandoned projects. The government is poised to complete all abandoned projects across the country. They have been able to identify 8,700 projects. Yasha say in year a bench a fee. Honorable
Senior,
good news, pa.
Medawasi. Na maka say Ghana as o mine yenye o mine enka ewo say nipa ebre senior yesi ebre. Na I would say omo eto abama NPP no enu omo ho but we have 4 years. Say ya de court ni bibia kire say nanado beto aso 4 years. We have 4 years to deal with. Enti yenhye yesapo munsu. President Kufuor kan o say yemia ye belt, tighten your belt. We de afie dru baby obi say oni sisie ni bi kura na wabo belt no na che say echoku no, so we will live with them for the next 4 years. No kra no so de ye beka ama na fufuro omo ama ntokwa no ayedin ama omo. Adia abo mai efom paaye say efri nkroma pen so nkroma ene as we speak nkroma project bebre ewo as we speak after saying 64 years of independence wafa no enti sa wo hwa se nanado afa kirabosom ani so ade hunu a eye Ghana wasanso afa John Dramani Mahama ne big push no omo change di no aye ne care or something good. And for me I have this policy as long as obi beye bibi ade aho hare ebe bre Ghana ni no I'm for it. even though say wo ye na misusu say ade we nka wo ye ni say ya nka beboa. That is the beauty of democracy. Bibi a wo ye no so wo betumi aye no yie. Anu nti say ye hwe aban ko na obi aba opese o hye bibi foforo ase na wagyae de ye hye ase no. Anu nti na ne ye ka Ghana ye ka no. Most of a kai bosin a ye boy no. Eye sa project ya ye gya no onwura mu amfa so ambre. Inti say wo tumi aye bold ehunu say John Mahama President Mills Rollins President Kofuor ekwa kosi nkroma project bebre wo ho a oba e wayi nani ono so a onye bi. I feel say the next 4 years sanko de be complete almost 8,000 and something. I believe it is more than that, but even sasa 8,700 otumi wie na Ghana ni bi nya adwuma koye wo ho a say your hospital ye benya doctor bi a we school benya adwuma ye for the rest of the life or where adwuma ye benya nurse ni bi, even to the point to say security cleaner obi a ba she table anim ho aton nsu ana aduane ono nso nsa bekona no ebeboa. Enti say odi abetumu a I will give them the benefit of the doubt. Say me hwe de omoye the past 4 years. John Dramani Mahama projects bebre still 4 years yantumi anwie.
E block over completed 28.
Unim say no so there's a little bit of untruth in that. John Dramani Mahama Eko, I have a report from the World Bank. 50 were complete na schools.
50.
Young Google. What Mr. World Bank?
Not World Bank. What check handing over note?
Yes, 47.
So how come World Bank?
47. Time Mahama Ekono. Time World Bank yeah near free SHS na say. Oh mo kire say as it stands 50 were complete and more frano even free SHS for ni bi ekom. Inti say ne say o say o mawie 28 which means we should have 78 right out of the 123. I think it's not good enough. I was saying we 123 no krama yeah hit the 200 na now donate because my SHS nkwa 350 Mahama no krama to me they cannot point to a single SHS omoji asase shase pejaye. They are talking about ukoti amas omo esi edanwe uko omasi that no single government and aba all the existing schools omanye bibi they introduce you and the role get fund as a juma was all NSA all the existing schools they should improve on their facilities while government concentrate on raising new projects never added to the what that what you say nobody is saying say oba e wunsi bi no na said the order than what Sidanya can one but you have not done much because by be a President Kofuor model schools me end this but I'm telling you what President Kofuor because we need to get to the point politics we end this we MPP no krenoka because the otie no onim no kreno nya adom enti say nanado say omo be wie cha project na hallelujah na emom Mike eye wusika eye misika ene ye de beye Ghana ka no ebe kosoro but say kosoro na menua bi anya adwuma ya eye good
mentie we it's a good news because we na ka once match project do wa ko na kan wuram
the
only hope is say yemubumu
osofo ewie no ho na me start no can say you buy ni ntimi nya single school okay pacho ekire ya soko bank we be ekwanwa
sorry for this rude interruption sorry this is not my style
I'm from open school no so when you
e bin apply wo
John Jacob Voice High School ekwan ho o de o ya go for actually my number we to 0244 10 81 97 0244 10 81 97 unya school a o de friend number no John Jacob Voice High School
connection wo ho
I can say make me a
connection.
I'm about me a boarding school. Kumasi a new school craft they started crying. John Ejekumko for senior high school. A general arts, business, and home economics. Those 3 courses no. And in the Aviana school, only you saw Kumasi school. We used to have one school in the
Sir Mike, Miss. No, ma'am, Miss no. I beg you, just 1 minute. Sir, Sa school no, it's an Islamic school, and yet a buying school. But you see,
John
that's no. There's nothing wrong. You know the history behind that school. Say, and Yananado Nessis school, no, you know. Kennedy can come, we can call him or Becca no crew. Oh, they're Farman and Nado.
I dare a year parents who can pray. School BNs and another and a cockati sword. A see school now a day of my penny that 4 days after so see when you school. Also, the American say, Sir, find so a human, my penny that a jawa over to us, a yard depart. Because the Biana me can say, Sir, and your man was a Timmy share near Ghana, Yama Ghana, Nankasa, and Ray, Munia Jai politics. Now at the part or why was he a twasso. The name may be a while on penny before ye, on penny most ebed and twasso, on penny Mahama, on also and twasso. A buying by na all twasso. But and yet a boy on my neck and maybe an essay for you was near that baby from. Meanwhile, so that I know how I was get twasso and kebe. And so my penny say, or bet twasso, I had the papa, or say your boy and some man. Now, the American say. And sometimes so I mean blame government no no. Then one me blame political activists and when any projects and we are projects and why say because say before elections no 2020 elections no yeah man penya be de chire baumia man penya be de chire baumia be yeah ibi when this for say project we na order that yeah and no I didn't Ghana sika de dey yeah this will be aba. No, so Baby, we no, or Cassie on the year, one event also. It is strong, it's Ghana for any young agency for. Say, or a jabby view, that's young, or 1 million complete, and as a baby and complete, a baby to us one. I am come say be say away near project, and I'll buy 1 year before Frobia, and 1 year say, and no, Emma, a baby bar, no, I this come from no so any day. Emma will be who's on us why day, I be. But some no money in a boat of my neck. It's we did Manusi and Mecca, Mebo or my penny, Nana Kufuado, a basso pass, what to me, I inside the Messer say, Bia, the next 30 years and send this in Suba, or Monso and Vienna or Munsia.
Next 30 years?
Yes.
Oh, okay. I said, good evening, Sir Mike and Honorable Benatechi. Ghana's economy is in the right direction. Both macro and microeconomic indicators are positively moving in a positive direction. President Nanado's government has really done well, and there are more to come. Dr. Babak Zamu, Master Planner, Kintampo, and Odifre Aba. Good evening to you, Sir Mike, and your panelists. I don't have problem with any government who collect taxes and levies. But sometimes they collect it without using it for the right work they allocated it for. Some district assemblies are at various lorry stations collecting monies from drivers, but just take a look at the state of that very poor condition. May the God Almighty have mercy on us. From Apostle Brides Asamoah, Fishing for Souls Prayer Ministry, Denchira Anyanua Junction. Apostle, a very good evening. We say this is Nana Yao from Abuabo Tetekaso. Okay. The Honorable don't even know what we say. Oh God, help Ghana. If not, Ghana will be put to jail. Thanks for your good work. All right, Nana. Yes, so yeah, that's it. Hi, Sir Mike. Good evening. I'm watching your show. This is a great show. Kindly tell Honorable that the party NPP is losing focus, and so he is. Ike, and so dia or they abano bakubi kemu ha mameni free. Okay, I say I'm Pastor Francis Ajenim from Asen Ayirebi. Asen wa Yirebi o. Nimson ka yini wa Yirebi na. Okay. Good show this evening. Your panelists are doing justice to it, but they should be truthful to us. The two will come. Okay. More must say friend. In fact, I think Ebiana might be for Monty Fajan channel on WhatsApp 0202668464. One more friend, Madarama. Honorable, I share apart from budget, we can only end any other issue.
Yes,
but my fast that and farmer baby only a year. I was so crow. Maybe I could only a year back now a month for that car to one war from all kinds. Oh, I was under armor bracrano, Eddie Ho, the Bob Bracra, Eddie Ho, the Bob Brapa, Eddie Ho. There was a woman a year. I don't have a day. You'll be piano, oh, God's way casket shop. About the different Buchaba in moment to be able to Mragana, and to be. Ebi so awon so no oye efunu enwo dwuma de defunu ope ehonema ato pedoto for that kan bia tundudu mu a oba ebo pa ambulance ahodo e obi a yede ema ahan sa so na video camera ni na no e obi a yede ema enti unya ye dia o first and last stop e God's way casket shop Kumasi Asafo labor runabout so fa so a woni except from assembly hall no ho na office kase no e wo 0243 737-457 0243-737-457 fra na etumi anywhere go bia wo bia so no e de adaka no e betumi atoa e ho a e ma okra Kumasi e na baba beji mamencha Mala Mohammed and afi ajia mu eko etibi escafo amate. Very good evening and anyway honorable.
Yes, so was shooting home in the foot or can be say or two NDC for if the next 30 years see a bar project be one then ye wo man mu ha ene say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama aye aferi kwa minane time bia obeka no mo say President Kufuor na sha ase won hu say adwuma bia Mahama say waye bia amanfo hu omo say President Kufuor na sha ase but today o 2 yearfo on can one project here NDC anto aso N1 highway Professor Mills oko biye kura oni Prof Kufuor nyina na ko biye ye staff house Papa Kufuor efre Atamils omu nyina yeto abata ewini ekọ round o kire n baabi a waya akodu ene de aka say Bernard me throw this challenge mame one single president NDC now chaka say the Mahama ye bia ye President Kufuor project. How do you balance this? Enunti, let's all come to the center. Okay. It is good. Say project aka unremuno ya beto aso. It is good.
Right.
It na watch mu nsem bebre na sisi.
COVID-19.
Yes.
Na afi pepe penny.
Yes. 1 year now you recorded the first 2 cases. Yes. Mekai ye be news press conference no. Na edi aye mu hihie the anxiety. People knew say kai ade na bi awura Ghana ha and true to you know na aba enti enye bibi anka wo say celebrate.
Ane no wo.
COVID-19 abeku ni papa. Ka say nipa 100 and abusia be miensa na ahye no abusia miensa asi ahye pan no wo hwe nhihye ya omoye na enyandru me so say wawo
arawo ati me tie o over the week so be na akoso se
be bre akoso na me se mo akoso nya de aye me depa ne ene budget na e review ene Mampany state of education address no yeah it's a papa wu ti the best can say mumye nyina nka mu bi mu se Ghana fo se bi eni Ghana bia wo ba bia ye ko na yemwa emfa ho ne political affiliation yemwa oman Mampany owo so na odinu oman ni yi na me kyerɛ Ghana for say any NPP for say ma ya ba mu dwumadie no afɛ ne ahyɛ second round na se round 2 no afɛ ne ahyɛ ase ene ma papa bebre na nkwa mu eba na ye mo kan
right na kwan no wawo
kwan de me ngo enyen ye district
no Senator district ye ho mon kan
so that ye ready so that you
hey
also dream ho
na abai me bai who can say ayi kura so le kura say kura anye na
mama ye phone
usala no pa anye right
na kwa the mo amophe na no ta constitution mo and all in fact it must pass e munyamre na mowe Sinopi on Cloud TV fa wo get on the bra na enyamre mo hodawro entimi emfa ma shede so say COVID-19 yare na enkoy enti e na obo mo ban oti honorable Achiman Benatachi oye deputy youth organizer legislature East Constituency honorable assembly member Dawood Tabre electoral area and afi so oye youth employment coordinator the Emma Amanfo omo sector south district assembly and and of course could be message by say how I think message no just said how happy it is to host your own colleague so he was my mate at the university and they
a big man
and I grow cry well sa ena nyame na de sa so ena oti mi ha bi ni apani evangelist Richard Pra NDC communication team member of Ashanti region former PC in Shares constituency evangelist there ena no ena ye boss kanunya na ono ko edi but e wo so na ma credit pa na ye na we bia so ase on behalf of the entire crew from director Samuel Kwabena Dakon executive producer Sam Dakus, producer Bernard Adair, production manager Otri Nozo, camera Kobe Frank, MCR, VTR, Augustina, and Loretta, and on my own behalf for the week, my boy Pa Muni Yamishamo, now on camera, we be asked, so the affiliate to her, now we're sleeping. I mean, I do other Evasensia, now Eddie Moshe song, say, I hear ye, enemy pa, Obambo, Yohui, and Yami on camera.
Well, our Pia, we shall say free moon. Why the den? It is slower. We now fuck all of I said, I want to off and see no more drama. We know where now, in fact, and conquer big man on the way. So, I was a young Kumasi. I'm good, Kumasi.
Oh, it's been a long time. Oh, yeah.
Missy Minia, of reference to you. Seven and my uncle and Yasha Dayon. The Penia Smammy, seven Rammy Pada, Marcia Camera. Namasi, Ginny, Yada.
Someone that's why we need problem cry. Who made you some free to buy better Ghana? And I'm in a confident. What one and one said to me a day in the promise. So I will bring them in the capre or do open a chair with one way casket shop. I look massy labor higher. Me call Honoma. I know what's me yes, can't say you. You would have been Jawano. Missy Kaya, the man is a family. I saw a bit yes, me ambulance. No, Miss Ampedi, everybody done no and come. Ambulance, and you have it down. Only ambulance service into any problem cry. I mean, now, you hear me say, open your